Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this VIVO. You need to begin by opening Albums app. Then hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. You can click on all of those if you want to, or just click on this little icon at the top left corner of this section. So when I do that, as you can see, all of those photos were successfully selected. In order to delete them, click on this pin at the top right corner next to three dots and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!